Welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on Python data structures, where we'll explore lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Let's start with lists, our first Python data structure. Lists are created using square brackets. They are ordered, changeable, and can have duplicate items. Let's look at some examples. Now let's move on to tuples, another crucial data structure in Python. Tuples are like lists, but with one key difference: they are immutable. Here's an example. So far, so good. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Finally, let's dive into dictionaries, a powerful data structure in Python. Dictionaries use curly brackets and have keys and values. They are unordered and mutable. Let's create a dictionary and access its values. To add an item to a dictionary, simply use a new key and assign a value to it. Removing an item is also very easy using the pop method. Let's compare the basic operations in lists, tuples, and dictionaries. And that's it, folks. You now have a solid understanding of lists, tuples, and dictionaries in Python. Keep practicing and you'll master them in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome programming tutorials.